my name is Deepak Pandey. Today I welcome all of you in my YouTube channel, my Smart Class. And in this video, we will learn how to calculate the sin and cos values using mathematical functions in C programming language. So stick to all complete video and watch from starting to the end for smooth learning and build your concepts and learn C programming. So you need to watch this again and again to become expert in programming. Otherwise, you will miss a lot of things. For that, we must to know how to declare variable, all that thing. For that, for become expert in this programming language. So let's start again. So we are creating new project for that, and that is calculation of calculate sin value. Sin and cos. So let's start it again. Okay, for that we need to include the math function in our program, and that is the part of the Math.h header file. So we must need to include the head file in our program to use the cos and sin functions for that. So let's do it. So hash include math dot that it's a header file in C program, and it is part of the C program and has include instruct the compiler to include that file in our program, right? And we also using some symbolic constants for that. That is pi, as we need to convert the uh, angle in angle form, degree form to radian form. So we need to have the value for the pi as well. So we are defining the hash define pi, that is the 3.1416 pi value correct to up to 4 decimal place, and we are also uh, using the hash define maximum angle value, that is hash define max, that is 180 degree, right? That's and we are also using might be the value for steps like 0 degree, 10 degree, 20 degree, that is the 10 degree steps we are using. So let's say has defined step 10. So these are the symbolic constants we have been declared till now, and now our main program starts from here, and these are not the statements, these are symbolic uh, uh, constants we have been declared in, and we will talk about these in later in upcoming more details. But if you don't know anything about these symbolic constants, you must watch in my previous videos where we have uh, described in symbolic constants. So we will need to know what all these are, right? So let's not waste our much more time and start for main function. So we are not going to here integer type of variable because this is not required. So we are using float variable because that is the function sin and x accepts the double type value, and that is the float x and y we are using. And so x is the value for suppose that angle value, and y is the value for uh, the calculated value we need to hold on, right? So let's start. So first of all we need to convert the angle value from, so we are using the while function for that, assign the starting value. So these are the assignments for variable. Now we are using the while loop. So for that we uh, must use the iterator as loop. For looping purpose I need to use the I as. I is less than or equal to max, and max is the symbolic constant, and we assign the value for that is 180 degree, right? And we must assign the value for iterator as well, that is the 0. We are starting from the 0, and now calculation begins from here. Sine value and cos value. And we are using the line character as well. So we need to convert the value from degree to radian. So conversion from degree to radian is uh, suppose so we take the y for value conversion, right? So x divided upon y upon 180 y is the symbolic constant 180. So don't worry, we will explain each and everything one by one for that program. But we need to convert the degree to radian for calculation the value, because sine and cos they takes the value in radian form, right? So that is the x, that is the value of the angle, right? So now the pi, the conversion from degree to radian has been done. So let's say we need to take another variable as well for getting the value for sine and cos. Let's say a and b supposed to be the value for holding the values for sine x and cos x, sine y and cos y, and let's use sine. Let's a assign the value in variable a for sine y and v for cos theta, that is the cos y. Here value for theta is assigned in y, that's why we need to use the y variable. Now we need to print the value for a and v, and um, the value of x for angle, right? So use the printf function for that. So angle is our value x, that is the percentile d, and we can say that sine value is percentile f is the format specifier for that. So we are printing for the 5 decimal value f, and similarly for cos value, that is percentile point 0.5 f, and now we need to write the value of uh, corresponding value of angle and sine cos value. So angle value is x comma a comma v is the value for that, and we must increase the angle by step, right? So here we are increasing the value for x, x plus step we defined earlier, step 10, that is increasing value by 10 in every iterations, right? So uh, let's figure out. We must use the new line character for printing the value in separate line, otherwise it will be very confusing for printing in same line, right? So now let's use our, yes, so that is the basically f, because we have defined it the value for x as floating point type value. Let's make it comment, because we don't need I for iteration, all that thing. We just need to use the floating point type of variable. So end of while loop, main function ends. So let's compile our program, or let's see if any type of that is. Check for that. Okay, some errors are there, so we did not need this variable. Just ignore it and compile the variable again. Yes, so we missed the semicolon at end of the statement. So compile our program again. Now it is error free and has been compiled successfully. Let's run our program and see what result is expected. Yes, we can see that our program compiled successfully. We can see that the zero angle value for sine is 0 and cos is 1, and that is correct. You can verify that. And we are also making this for point 1, that is the format specifier we are using, because only one point of value, and even though we can use the value for d, that is decimal specifier, integer specifier, and prints the whole integer value, and fractional part will be truncated. And now let's see if what result we expect for angle. No, that is unexpected result. We cannot do coin. We must use the f specifier for that, and that is for one decimal point we use only. So again, compile that program, no error, and now we can see that, and that is the fine and very nice output. We can see that zero angle, that is the sine 0 0, and cos 0 1 value, sine 10 this value is expected, and cos 10 this is the value, and we can see that sine 90 one value, that is the exact correct, and cos 90 that is the zero value. Okay, so we can see that our result is on the screen. If you find any value, if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe for more interesting video and learning video in future. Thank you and have a nice day.